Max has been chosen by his peers and teachers for the following reasons. He uses a gentle, caring tone when speaking to others. His manners are beautiful. He includes others by listening to their ideas, and Max takes care of and shows respect for the school environment. Well done, Max. Also in year one we have Emma Ferris. And this is what Emma's friends and teachers have to say about her. Emma shows respect for the teachers and classmates by always speaking politely. Emma waits patiently for her turn during class discussions. She uses a gentle voice when speaking to others in group activities, and she respects her own belongings and the property of others at all times. Congratulations, Emma. Year 2, our first award winner is Jesse Mack. Jesse's been chosen for the following reasons. He uses please and thank you when he speaks to people. Jesse works hard at his desk and lets others learn. He listens to everyone's ideas and makes you feel good when you have a good idea. And Jesse looks after his belongings and keeps them organised. Well done, Jesse. And in year 2, we also have Georgie Artiega. Georgie's been shown for these reasons. She always listens to her teacher. Georgie uses her best manners and addresses people with their name. She respects her friends and uses kind words and actions. And Georgie cares for her classroom and helps tidy up whenever she can. Congratulations, Georgie. Year 3, we have someone in year 3 who's getting their second board award. It's pretty special. John Luca Masbriani, where are you? John Luca has been chosen for the following reasons. John Luca is respectful and lets others learn when they're on the floor. John Luca shows respect by using polite manners and never interrupting people. He treats people with respect and uses a gentle voice when speaking to others. And John Luca is a good role model for his fellow students. Well done, John Luca. In year 3, we've also elected